Time? 6 a.m. Operation Tango-Nutty-Black roast is underway.
The Joe is on the jet ski. I repeat, we stole the coffee.
I'm detecting signs of activity in the kitchen.
I don't know, dear. It's in there somewhere.
You come find it then. I'm telling you. I don't see it.
Well, if you don't like
I'm picking up some slight aggression, grumpiness.
Outside voices.
If I have to drink the coffee at work...
Maybe we would have had time to buy backup coffee if we hadn't spent 4 hours at your sister's playing Moncala.
You know how important Moncala is to me, and I knew if we just played...
Do you think they're going to get a divorce?
I don't know what divorce is.
Let's just focus on the issue at hand here. This has nothing to do with my relationship with my mother.
You're shielding. Can't you see it? This is exactly what Dr. Wentworth was talking about.
I'd like to apologize to my bear, to my Godzilla, to Lou's Godzilla. This was all Lou's fault.
Coffee. Coffee.
I'm so scared right now of how much trouble we're going to be in.
Decaf. Decaf. Decaf! Boys, have you seen the coffee?
Aboard!
Boys? Boys. Now, how do you turn this thing off, boys? Ugh.